it's Pessy back with another freaking video. And today I will be showing you the fastest way to cook shrimp broccoli Alfredo. So I know I already got everything already going, but I just decided at the last minute, like, let me record this because this dish is gonna be good. Okay, so what I have in this pot right here is boiling water with fettuccine. I think that's how you say it. Fettuccine pasta noodles. Now I only had half of the box. It's only me and my son that's going to be eating this. So I only used half of the box, and I broke it up in halves. And then right here I have Argentina raw red shrimp, and I cut each. I think I have like 12 up in here, and I cut them in half because once again I don't need large shrimp. So I season this with seasoning salt, lemon, garlic, pepper, and what's this season? Cajun seasoning. And then this right here is just some butter. And I just really put this on right now. So I'm going to let this cook. And then I'm going to come back and show you how that look. And then I'm going to let this boil for about 10 more minutes. And then I'll be right back. Okay, so I usually make my own sauce. And then I mix it in with either garlic Alfredo, creamy Alfredo, or they have another one that's called tomato. And I usually mix that in with my original sauce that I make myself. But since I stated that this is the quickest way to make Alfredo, shrimp broccoli Alfredo, I will be showing y'all the easiest sauce, the best sauce in my opinion to use. And right here it is the organic creamy Alfredo, and then right here it is the garlic Alfredo. I love both of these together, so I will be opening up both cans, and I will be using half of this can and half of the other once the shrimp and the pasta is done. Now do not overcook your pasta, because at the end I let it simmer for about 5 minutes, so it can get I don't know, for all the seasoning to settle. So I let it simmer for about 5 minutes. So make sure your pasta is not al dente, however you say the word, but make sure it's just not overcooked. But yeah, like I said, I'll be right back once everything is cooked. So, I forgot to mention, right before the pasta is done, I usually throw in my broccoli. And this is the Bird's Eye brand. I love this brand. The broccoli tastes fresh. I don't know what it is about this brand, but it is very good. Very good. I love this. I love this brand. But anyways, I'm going to put just a few broccolis into this boiling water. Okay, so this is how you should want your pasta to look. As you can see, it's not fully cooked, but it's cooked. Okay, and then this right here is how my shrimp is looking. So right now I'm about to pull the water off of this pasta and broccoli. Okay, so right now I'm about to take the shrimp and pull it into the pot of pasta. You see all that butter? I want that. So as you can see, I did add 1 extra teaspoon of butter up inside the pasta and the shrimp. And like I said, I will have my stove on simmer. Now I'm opening up a can of garlic Alfredo. I'm opening up the other can. Okay, so now I'm just gonna mix it together. You can add more sauce to it if you want to, and that's what I'm going to end up doing. But I have to add something in it before I do everything else. And then I'm just going to add a little bit more of garlic Alfredo, of the garlic Alfredo sauce. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I like garlic. I like garlic. So I'm about to let this simmer just a little bit for like 5 minutes, and then I will come back and show y'all the finishing look, which is kind of just like this, but I will come back and show y'all once it's done. Okay, so ooh, that looks so good. So it's been 5 minutes, and this is what it looks like after it simmers. Yes, oh my goodness. You can eat it just like this, or you can make some sides with it. I am making chicken with mine because that's what I wanted. But anyways, this is the end results. 25 minutes. You can't beat this easy, fast meal. Just look at it up close. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video.